guys, my name is Karleigh. I'm gonna teach boys how to make a taco casserole. And I'm gonna get my ingredients. We're gonna need some meat, some taco seasoning, some tortilla chips, and a knife that you're comfortable using with, and some tortilla chips, and some cheese, and some lime juice, and a bunt. And you need, the first step is ground your meat, but we're using turkey meat or brown meat is good. So this mush the turkey meat or any meat, but it's a little hot, so make sure you have like a little bit of some adult next to you. So then you need to mush it if you can. If it's hard, then just give it a good try. After your chicken is grown, put the taco seasoning. If it lands on the spoon, then it's okay. Just pour it there if you can. It's a little hard for me. I'm making this at home. So once you're done, you put some water. Put water in it. And then we'll make like a little bit of stuff. I don't know what it makes because I never did this. And after your meat has stirred in the taco thing, put water, 2/3 of water. Then after you did that, sizzle means low heat. Simmer means low heat, and make it would bubble like it's doing now a little bit. And then you make it cool off sometimes, and then you put it in the pan and make a design with your strips, and make a design, and then put cheese on it, and take some cheese and spread it all over the bottom like this. If you think you don't have much, just have another layer of cheese. And you don't get much, then just put it all over there till you try to make it delish. Once you got your meat, get some lime juice. Just a little sprinkle. Just a little sprinkle, if you want to be careful. Okay. I tried my best with it. So, yeah. And then put the meat in. And if it drips on your hand, just get a napkin. Do your meat, do a layer of tortillas. Just be very delicate so you don't do the bad things for it. And once you're done, I don't know what you do next. And you're done. Step is mozzarella cheese or pizza cheese, because that's what sometimes people call them. Then another layer of meat. And then after you're done with the meat, there's going to be some tortilla chips. Then we need to cover all of the things with tortilla chips. Very, very delicate. If it's a small one, just put a bigger one on top. And once you did the tortilla chips, do some these tortillas, not tortilla chips, but tortillas. And then you bake them in the oven. and then bake for 40 degrees, 35 minutes.
350 degrees, 45 minutes.
For 300 degrees and 45 minutes when you're done. When you're done with the casserole, then you would enjoy how it's good to eat. It looks so good, I want to eat it. And when you are done, put the plate upside down. It's a little hard with the oven mitts. Just turn it over. And then let your mom do the rest so you don't, the kids don't get hurt. One of the tooth. Please, please, please stand up well. Mom, let's flip it over. Let's flip it over, guys. Mom, flip it. I see it. That's how it looks.
That looks awesome.
How it turned out. And then there's some cheese and layers, and I hope it's good. And boys can make this, like my brother. I'm gonna top it with some cilantro and meat. Let me try it. This is so good. You should try it. Bye.